cooking. Yes, I'm cooking lamb. Lamb for today lunch. I want to cook this lamb. You see? No, not chicken, lamb. Nakamute lang here sis, dito miss ko. Sige, salamat sis. Nakatambay lang ako kay sa anak mo. Will, yung isang cellphone ko. Means you don't know the lamb? Meat lamb? Meat. Meat. It's a sheep meat. Sheep meat. Yeah, we call lamb. Lamb.